Ora nigabwire egekombe kia UNICOLOUR Golf Tournament hase Chigosori chia golf echo chia korekaneta segeti kia KISII Golf Club maiga yoko babwa bagosori bande 50 nomo bagokwana nabali kia mangana mo director kurwase Ensemilia United Paints Steven Mose nigo bondo ha tebire huna egosori eyo ya golf nigo hebose nigo etakeire kogosori gwana basaebe kegori hegeke heri gotuguterare hengana eyo gotebekana buna egosori iga neyeke gori ekenene kia bagaka nabagina Julius Omwenga kurwa Ovic Hardware boigo na erani gabori ababwatani bande babe bagwesokia herigosira Chigosori hune icho chia golf na boigo koirani ambu yamono asaba gosori abonsi abo besogetie kwenekia Chigosori echo ngoikira na chira senchirengia.
My aim going forward is I've always had a dream of lowering my handicap to about 10. I'm actually playing at 15, so 10 is not far off, which I'm looking forward to getting to. Before end of the year, I should be at 10. The tournament was very good. I managed to play with very good people. The turnout was very good, and we really appreciate.
The golf is coming up in the up country, and we are seeing a lot of activity around golf. And this is a good positive for us and for the next generation. This is something we can build our country around and also give our next generation an opportunity of something they can be able to pursue and also offer them an opportunity for growth. Golf is not just an elite thing, but it can be pursued by anyone, and we can be able to promote talents across the whole country.
The support we get from corporates and from different businesses out there, it's really growing the game of golf, especially out and away from Nairobi, because there's been a lot of focus in the clubs within Nairobi region, but now we are seeing a lot of activity in the, if you may call it, up-country clubs. This is a very good example. It has been a very wonderful day. We have players from Kericho. We have players from Ruiru, we have players from Nyanza, we have players from Nandi, we have, I think I've seen players from Kakamega as well, and I'm sure quite a number of other clubs.
And foremost, to thank the Managing Director, United Paints, UNICOLOUR, Mr. Stephen Warui Muche, and the KISII Sports Club for hosting this fabulous event. And further, let me thank the UNICOLOUR community and the family which I'm part of it because of their corporate social responsibility.